This video is about the functionalities of the Fonzo wireless charging. It is amazing. This video is just to show how the buttons work. It picks up an area and starts cleaning that whole area. And within the area, you can switch it. You can go left when you feel that you need to mix a spot. Left, right there on the wall. So then you can stop exactly where it is. It has different functionality, and you can also, once you press home, you can find the Fonzo wireless vacuum find herself back home. This is my favorite part. It has the notification panel to show you when it's fully charged. It charges on its own. You can set up schedules. You can see the battery charging. Very, very strong vacuum. It's not small, but it's not too big either. My only objection on this wireless is the color. I wish it was black so it doesn't get dirty as much, because the silver color will get pretty dirty in time. One more small demonstration. As you can set it to do circles. See if it picks that up in the corner. We'll send her back home to make sure that it does feel that it knows this area and if it does work. At this time, keep in mind, it's not cleaning, it's just trying to find herself back home. I just bought a home and I've been trying to have it fully automated with all the electronics and wireless cleaning places and cleaning items. This has been one of the best purchases I got. I strongly recommend it. Very good vacuum cleaner.